Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to kick or remove a member from your group chat on Messenger. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to kick a member from your group chat on Messenger, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Messenger. After you open your Messenger, next, I want you to go to the group chat where you intend to remove a member. And once you're on the group chat, next, go tap the About button on the top right corner. And after that, go and tap See Members. Then right here, you will now be able to see all the members of your group chat, so just find the one that you want to remove. By the way guys, to be able to remove a member, you need to make sure that you are an admin in your group chat, so if you are not an admin, you won't be able to remove a member. So once you've found the member that you want to remove, go and tap their profile. And then you can now remove the member by tapping the Remove from Group Chat button right here. And then after that, it's done. Congratulations, the member will now be removed from your group chat. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.